Hello everyone, my name is Byron and I've been a drummer for about 38 years. Um, and I had a chance to play for Tim Bowman out in Florida. So I came back home and started building my own brand, which is BMP, Black Mike Productions, out in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I am thankful, really thankful for this opportunity that I have with Collision Sticks to be able to come on board and be a part of the community and be a part of the brand and help build the brand. And we grow together and help build each other up. And I'm thankful for the opportunity to be able to collab with all the others that are a part of the Collision brand. Um, I like the Collision sticks because I love the 5As already, but I ordered a pair of the 5ARs. See that right there? The reach is good. I prefer the 5As, but the 5ARs do give you that reach if you decide that you want to have your cymbals really spread out there everywhere. Um, if you really like to have more reach, Collision is the brand. Go ahead and get it. They're very durable. They chip less than any other stick that I have played. I don't really break a lot of sticks all the time, so this is really going to help me balance out my pocketbook so I don't have to keep buying a lot of sticks at one time. But the 5ARs are good. I like how they are. Maybe I can get used to them and maybe transition from both, but soon you'll see me playing with them shortly. And I'm about to do a song that I wrote for my mother a long time ago. It was called Jesus, I Love You, but I revamped it to give it a smooth groove side or a jazzy side to where I can do it that way. So check me out, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Thank you.